What's going on, y'all? So today we're in Joplin, Missouri. I was just at that 4-stage chrome shop. So you know me, since we put the new air ride on, the truck is too low. Hence why the old bumper is gone. So picked up a new bumper. We're here at the Petro. So I got to throw the bumper on. I don't have the patience to ride around with this bumper. Obviously, I'm not aired out. I'm just parked, but should be fairly easy. It's a different bumper than what I had before. It's going to be a mitered end bumper, which I'll show you guys right now. It's in the back. I have no idea how I'm going to assemble it, bring it out, and put it all in by myself because I am parked back here in the middle of nowhere. People can't see me. So I'll show you guys the bumper, and we'll figure out the rest of the way what we're doing. But this is her, if you want to call it her. So I'm going to open it up real quick, and then we'll inspect it and go from there. I'm going and learning along the way, but it's got to be pretty low. I can air up a little bit more when I need to, but this right here, pretty good height driving wise. Does that look straight to you guys? The straight as it's gonna get. I can't go anymore anyway, so. Oh, almost done. This one I gotta redo. There's a little bracket I forgot to hook up for the lights in the back. Now you might be wondering, how do you know what you're doing? I don't. As you saw, I started over there upside down. So, just wing it. You know, this bracket's always a pain in the ass. It holds up the wiring harness for all my lights. Make it nice and clean-ish. I'll show you guys exactly how much I paid for this bumper too. This one's actually cheaper than the one I just had earlier. The other one wasn't a blind mount and it was more expensive. Doesn't make sense. You would think for more, you would pay more, but it's not. Okay. Now, if I had some Loctite, it would be nice, but don't need it. Okay, now it's monkey tight. So now we're gonna do the other side. Shouldn't be as hard. I mean, not as hard, but not as complicated because now I got this side in. Shouldn't be crooked. but it kind of feels like it is. I think this part of the plate has to come up a little bit. So I got the lights off. This bumper's got some kind of paint on the back. I think it's pre-owned. It's bent here. So it's got some scratches. So what I think is somebody had it before and returned it. It's got some chips like here in the corner. Not chips, but like, I don't know, some kind of scratches. The button doesn't matter because I'm going to scrape it up anyway. Not a big deal at all. But, you know, it's got like scratches like that. Just would be nice to get a new bumper when you buy a new bumper for the price. Granted, it wasn't that much, you know, under $1,000, but, you know, you would think, yeah, it's got some bends. So, whatever. I'll deal with it. I'm not going back again for the third time or fourth time. So, yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lights back in here. Like so, or like somehow, if it even fits now with these, well, it should fit, whatever, but yeah, so throw these on real quick. I'm gonna drill some holes for the watermelon lights. You know, I gotta have my watermelon corner lights if my drill battery is good enough. If not, I'm gonna have to walk inside the store, charge it up a little bit if they let me, and then come back and go from there. So let's put these lights in, and then I got sidetracked, but I had a subscriber right there. Cool ass dude. Anyway, update on the bumper, guys. I got sidetracked. It's been a couple days actually where I put the bumper on. I even broke it. I put some lights in it. So now the lights work. Little running lights. She's not sitting on the ground, but she's pretty fucking close. And my only issue with the bumper is that it's too close to the bumper, too close to the hood, like the last bumper I had. As you can tell, it's bent because I hit a curb already, so it only lasted me a day before I hit a curb. But yeah, so I gotta lower it again like we did the last one with the AK and myself. And it should be sitting lower to the ground, but at the same time, I can still go a little bit lower once I replace my oil pan. So my oil pan bolt is sitting too close to the axle, and I don't want to, crush it. So I air down just to it, and when I'm parked, I air all the way out. But like right now, I'm getting loaded, so I don't want to air all the way out. But yeah, she's sitting good. I've been loving the bumper. It's growing on me. Granted, it's not an American Eagle, so this right here, it doesn't fill in, but it works. And this right here is a Valley Chrome bumper. It's a 20-inch Valley Chrome bumper. So yeah, we're gonna get loaded here and get going to South Carolina, or South Carolina.